Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name's Gary.Christiance. Started here in 1981. Been a while, it's been a great ride. What I got for you today is a fresh trade that just came in, 2015 Travato 59G, under 27,000 miles. Let me show you. It just came in, hasn't been detailed. And as you can see, the G model has got the corner bed in the back. Now I've got it raised up to show you all the storage underneath. 2 drawers. It's got another slider down here for more storage. Underneath here, and of course, up on top. So you can put a kayak or something in here to carry with you. There's a lot of room. Of course, when the bed's down, there's still a lot of room down here as well. We'll catch all the stuff on the backside when we go around. So you've got your little dispenser here for your shampoo and your conditioner and all that kind of stuff, which is nice because it's in there. Just push the button. Shower head. It's got a little cover here for your toilet paper. Help to keep it dry. And a little cubby hole up above with a towel rack. This slides around, locks out. This snaps in for travel mode. Convection microwave up above. Little cubby storage area. This should be your closet. We even installed a little hook here. Got a nice refrigerator. Freezer up on top. Controls are up here, easy to get to. All adjustable shelves. Let's go into the kitchen now. Fantastic fan up above, good ventilation. Little spice rack. Light controls here. Recessed sink. Now you got more workspace with your recessed 2-burner stove. Your igniter's right here. They like to keep storing plastic bags. There's a good supply in here. Or you could put a trash can in there. And full extension on all your drawers. Again, it just came in. We haven't cleaned it. Circuit breakers and fuses are down here. And the nice part about the G unit is this all breaks down into a double bed. If you have a person sitting here, you would release this, swing it around, and then of course there's a backrest with the door closed, so the table plops all the way out. Now this makes down into a double bed. Both driver and passenger seats, they turn around and face back here, so you can have up to 5 people. This will sleep too. It has seat belts here. Let's see, looking up front, the stereo system, of course, backup camera, and your nav system. Take a look at the mirrors. The mirrors are controlled from inside. That's the top and the bottom mirror. Has a separate control, so if you switch drivers, it makes it easy to transfer over and get them adjusted. Also, you have another switch. The mirrors will fold in. You get in a tight space, you don't have to worry about somebody snagging your mirror, just fold it in. And if you look out front, the visibility on the Dodge Pro Ram chassis is absolutely the best. It also has a 10-foot tighter turning radius than a Mercedes product. This little baby can negotiate downtown traffic and parallel parking like you've never seen. We have a little storage up on top, right up in here. There's the cushion that goes behind for this seat. All your privacy curtains are right in front of the DVD player. Entertainment center. TV swings around for if you're sitting up here. This is the screen. Goes all the way across. Power step. And we have a full-length awning. It's all electric. Push the button and out it comes. Outdoor LED light. 2 speakers. And then you got 110, 12 volt, and cable. So if you wanted to bring a TV outside, you could hook it right there. Let's go around the back of the unit. Up above, we can see the backup camera right there. LED light here. They put their water hose in here and a screen. 12-volt outlet, 110. Water pump, drain pump, porch, the light up above. And this is your outdoor shower, and it hooks right in there. Let's see. This is how the bed comes down. Pretty easy. Got a trailer hitch and wiring. Got 2 reading lamps back in here with a switch for the when you're sleeping. Plates are good through 19. Generator exhaust is right here. Sewer dump. Furnace intake and exhaust. This is the access for your refrigerator, not for us, for a technician, and that's the vent for it. Right here is your sewer hose with one in it. 110 hookup cable. And then you have your tank fill and your city fill, and your propane tank is chassis mounted. It's very easy to get to. Takes regular gasoline unleaded. These get 15 miles per gallon. So you do have adjustments on your seat. This knob runs the front, this part up and down, and this one runs this up and down. This lever here tilts the seat. That lever there rotates the seat. Yeah, I know, you got some questions. Well, who else would you call but the van guy? You can get my email down below or call me direct at 541-554-9581. Ask for the van guy. Appreciate your time. Have a good day.